This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Animal Crossing on your Nintendo Switch, providing a full guide. First, you will create your unique villager, customizing features like skin tone and hairstyle, then pick your perfect island layout and choose either the northern or southern hemisphere. Upon arrival, Tom Nook will guide you through setting up your first tent and introduce you to essential tasks like gathering resources. You'll quickly learn to craft basic tools, such as an axe and a flimsy fishing rod, which are crucial for beginning your island life. Every day offers new opportunities to enhance your island and fill your pockets. Begin by chatting with all your friendly villagers. They might offer you quests or give you presents. Next, methodically shake every tree, collecting valuable wood and often finding useful items or even some bells. You will want to cast your fishing rod into rivers and the ocean and chase after various insects with your net, selling any duplicates to the Nook's Cranny store. Do not forget to unearth 4 fossils each day and have them assessed for the museum. As you progress, your focus will shift towards developing your personal home and the entire island. Consistently pay off your home loan to Tom Nook to unlock exciting house expansions, allowing for more rooms and customization. Utilize your hard-earned Nook miles to acquire unique items, valuable design permits, and even increase your inventory size, making resource gathering much easier. Soon, you will be able to attract new animal villagers by placing open land plots. Eventually, you will unlock terraforming, giving you complete control to sculpt your island's landscape with new rivers and cliffs. Animal Crossing truly shines with its social elements and advanced gameplay. Invite friends to your island or visit theirs online to exchange items, collect fruits not native to your island, and explore their unique designs. Try your luck with the stock market, purchasing turnips from Daisy Me on Sunday mornings and selling them at Nook's Cranny throughout the week for a potential profit. Always participate in the various seasonal events and holidays, as they provide exclusive, limited-time items and fun activities. You can even design custom clothing and patterns to share globally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.